Hi, I'm Sally Forster Jones with the Sally Forster Jones Group at Compass, and I welcome you to 1859 Bel Air Road. We're on approximately 1.3 acres of land and about 20,000 square feet of beautiful home. What I really love about this home is the fact that there is nothing like this. Being special and being unique is what it's all about, and I can't wait to share it with you. So the first surprise, you enter, there is this incredible staircase, and on the way down, make sure you look at this amazing chandelier. This is truly your entertainer's paradise. You can entertain for 5 people, you can entertain for hundreds. The first thing that we see is beautiful fireplace that separates the different areas so that you have a different experience in each spot. The bar is such a highlight and centerpiece and so different and unique. The curvature of the lights and the lines complement the back of the bar. The panels that are placed here all have a different space, level, and it creates a different kind of a feeling and energy. So this is it, Southern California living, indoor, outdoor, entertaining, and every single time I step out here, I am so amazed by the views, the vistas, the infinity pool, and a huge yard. And that's what makes this home, in addition to everything else, very, very special. The entertainment does not stop on the main level, so follow me. So this is our lower level, and so we can play pool, or we can have a drink. This is the beautiful wine cellar, glass, visible part of your room and part of your space. And we have multiple lounging areas here as well, and visit with our beautiful movie theater. We have special panels that are absorbing the sound, and this is a Hollywood type movie theater. Large screen, another bar where you can grab a snack and enjoy the show. So this is my resort at home. So I have a beautiful tub that I can't wait to get into, and the backdrop from Argives in Portugal, and I'm transported into another world to relax and enjoy the moment. After that, I want to go and get a little bit of privacy and go up to the primary suite. At the top of the stairs are the sleeping quarters, and we have this long, beautiful corridor heading toward the primary suite. Can you imagine waking up here every morning, looking out at this like, oh my God, this is making my day. In addition to having this beautiful space, you also have the convenience of 2 primary bathrooms and 2 closets, but yet all inclusive as part of your sanctuary. So to put the cherry on top of this masterpiece, I have the sky, I have the greenery. This is absolutely paradise. So this concludes our tour of this magnificent property. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, and I look forward to touring you again at the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.